Okay, hi. My nails are done right now, but they're growing out and I'm gonna redo them soon. But I got these polishes and I wanted to do a little swatch of them. They're all Born Pretty ones, gel polishes, and they're all magnetic cat eyes. I don't know if you can see from the top, but this one's like a light blue. It's MY246. This one's a darker green. I think it's still a jelly dark green, and then it has like a yellow shift or a like light green magnet, and this one is MY54, and it's part of the glass cat magnetic line. This one is the one that I have on. It's so pretty, but it's a, I'm not gonna reapply it here. I have my magnet. That's sort of what it looks like. It's just a, I think a mine a bit better. It's sort of like a greasy pink. I kind of want to see what they're gonna look like together. Hold on, I'm trying to plan this. I was gonna just wash them all on my thumb, but I'll put them all together to see what they look like. Maybe like this. And I'm not curing them. I'm just trying to see what the colors are going to look like. Blue. Ooh. I might need 2 coats. There we go. That's really pretty. I want a darker blue, but I have a jelly blue somewhere. That's a really pretty light green, and this one is the darker green color that has a, I think, a more yellowy magnet, or that it has a, like a pearlescent base. Ooh. That's a lot more of like a forest green. More of like a foresty green color. It's so pretty. And this one, this blue comes out really well. But I think when I do my next set, I'm gonna put this super dark blue jelly over this if I want to darken it up. Maybe. Anyways, those are my 3 new cat eye polishes. I'm excited to use them. Hopefully I'll film a video of me actually designing my next set, or creating them, drawing them on, whichever. But if I don't, I think I'll just, because it's a huge hassle, then maybe I'm just going to show like a short clip of my completed nails. Fun!